The SD70ACe was first introduced by Electromotive Diesel, or EMD, in 2004. This modern locomotive was designed to meet the new emission regulations and replace older models like the SD60 and early SD70 variants. Railroads needed locomotives that were not only more environmentally friendly, but also more efficient and reliable for the heavy demands of modern freight traffic. From the beginning, the SD70ACe was built to handle just about anything. It became a favorite for Class I railroads, such as Union Pacific, BNSF, and Norfolk Southern. This was thanks to its balance of power, efficiency, and durability. These locomotives were perfect for hauling massive loads, whether it was coal,